Hi everyone, welcome to the channel of Olive Board. सबसे पहले तो this is a congratulating video for all of those aspirants who have made it. Made it as in you can just see on your screen as well that today SIDBI result, for 2024 both for grade A as well as grade B has been released. That is the reason I've particularly said that this is a congratulating video for those of the aspirants who have made it, and an inspiring video for those of the aspirants who are not able to make this time, but of course we have chances in the coming future also, so we are hoping for the best in the coming future. So yes, सबसे पहले तो हम देखेंगे कि रिजल्ट जो है, सबसे पहले हम रिजल्ट देखेंगे, then we'll come on to the rest of the sessions which is very very important for all of you. So you can just see on your screen, this is a list of candidates. This is a list of candidates of 50 candidates that are here. This is specifically for what? This is specifically for grade A. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे उन सारे इंडिविजुअल्स के रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर्स हैं जिन्होंने इस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम को क्रैक किया है, एंड दिस इज स्पेसिफिकली फॉर व्हाट? दिस इज स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द ग्रेड ए एग्जाम. Again, you can just see on your screen that this is recruitment of the officers for grade A as well as grade B. So यहाँ पे ये जो particular list है वो किसके लिए है? This is for the general stream, as in this is particularly for grade A. Then we'll come on to grade B part. So अगर मैं grade B की बात करूँ, so you have nearly 18 of recruitment specifically in your grade B. So for general stream you can see these are the many students who have cracked it. And for specifically your IT stream, these are the many registration numbers which are here, and then you have few of the candidates which are who have a registration number specifically in the legal stream. So यहाँ पे 4 जो registration numbers हैं that are there in the legal stream, and then you have 5 registration numbers in specifically your IT stream, and then rest of rest are there in the general stream. So basically 18 के आसपास जो है वो grade B में देखे गए हैं. When I talk about grade A, so यहाँ पे जो है 50 के आसपास जो numbers है वो देखे गए हैं. ठीक है, you can see on your screens the roll numbers are bold in number. I'm hoping that you are able to see it clearly. So 50 के आसपास जो यहाँ पे registration numbers हैं, they are there in the grade B exam. Now this is the list of the I would say the final candidates who have been selected. Now there is a list of the waiting candidates also. ठीक है, सो अगर मैं वेटिंग कैंडिडेट्स की बात करूं, सो यहाँ पे यू कैन सी दिस इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ वेट लिस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स, अगेन स्पेसिफिकली फॉर ग्रेड ए एग्जामिनेशन. सो 48 के आसपास, 49 के आसपास जो है वी हैव अ स्पेसिफिक लिस्ट दैट इज फॉर व्हाट? दैट इज फॉर ग्रेड ए. ठीक है, दैट इज फॉर ग्रेड ए. देन वी हैव ग्रेड बी स्ट्रीम. सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे वी हैव फ्यू नंबर्स अगेन इन ग्रेड बी स्पेसिफिकली, जहाँ पे द लिस्ट इज व्हाट? द लिस्ट इज स्पेसिफिकली इन द वेट लिस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द रिजल्ट. दिस इज द रिजल्ट. आई होप दैट योर रोल नंबर इज दिस is in this particular list. And again, congratulations to all of those aspirants who have made it. And for those aspirants who were not able to make this time, you need not to worry. अब आने वाली स्लाइड्स में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि पैटर्न जो है, एग्जामिनेशन जो पैटर्न कंडक्ट होता है, एज इन कि जब मतलब वी विल जस्ट डिस्कस अबाउट द डेट्स कि किन किन डेट्स के आसपास जो है, वी विल जस्ट सी द ट्रेंड कि पुराने ईयर पे जो है वो किन डेट्स के आसपास जो है हमें देखने को मिलता था एग्जाम, एंड वी विल एक्सपेक्ट वी विल फोरकास्ट द डेट दिस टाइम ऑल्सो कि 2025 का एग्जाम जो है हमें इस साल जो है वो कितनी एक्सपेक्टेड डेट है कि किसके आसपास जो है वो नोटिफिकेशन जो है वो आउट होने के चांसेस है. Now, for those aspirants who are not able to make it, don't worry. You have other regulatory exams also, and you have other streams also. Don't consider कि आपने जितनी भी मेहनत करी थी that have been wasted. No, जितनी भी आपने मेहनत करी थी, now you consider this time कि जितनी आपने पुराने पेपर में मेहनत करी थी, आपको उतनी इक्विवेलेंट अभी जो है वो उतना इक्विवेलेंट एफर्ट डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. एज इन कि आपने बहुत सारा जो सिलेबस है यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन इट, और आपको थोड़ा सा अपने आप को और पुश करने की जरूरत है. देन ऑफ कोर्स यू विल बी एबल टू क्रैक इट दिस टाइम. सो यू नीड नॉट टू बी वेरी होपलेस, रादर जस्ट सी इट इन अ पॉजिटिव सेंस. एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर अबाउट दिस थिंग दैट in the coming I would say in the coming regulatory exams and in the coming this particular exam you will be able to crack it. Now we'll see that what are the expected dates this year. So now in this particular video we'll see about the notification dates जो कि पहले भी रही हैं. you can see these are the courses. These are, this is the app particularly of our Olive Board channel. You can download it, and you can just attend classes here, and you can subscribe to our channel also, in which we ensure that insightful videos are just reaching out to you all. Then most of the people have this query कि मैम जितने भी PDF जो जितने भी YouTube classes के videos रहते हैं, from where to download the PDF. So you can just see on your screen. सबसे पहले तो you need to download the app. You need to register yourself on this particular app, on the app of Olive Board. Then you will see there will be a pop-up of this. ठीक है, ये आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर आएगा. यहाँ पे नीचे कोर्सेज लिखा होगा. Then you have to click on it. Then again a pop-up will come जहाँ पे आपको YouTube classes PDF जो है वो specifically देखने को मिलेगा. So this is very easy to access. The app is very, the app is just made, taking care of the customers, as in taking care of the students only. So this is very easy to operate. Of course, जैसे जैसे आप click करते जाओगे, आपको जो आगे वाली जो instructions है वो मिलती जाएंगी. Now coming on to the actual thing. Now we'll see that जो 2024 की timeline थी वो क्या थी, and based on that, based on the trend of previous 2 years, we'll analyze कि 2025 में जो expected dates हैं वो क्या हो सकती है. So now specifically talking about 2024. So जो registration जब open हुई थी वो कब हुई थी? The registration like opened on November 8, 2024. Then when I talk about the closing of the registration, online registration, so that got closed on December 2, 2024. So this is what these were the dates specifically in 2024 जब हमें registration जो है वो open as well as close देखती हुई मिली थी. Then when I talk about the cut off date, specifically talking about the eligibility criteria with regard to age, so that was seen on November 8, 2024. And when I specifically talk about the cutoff date for the determination of eligibility criteria, that is with regard to post qualification experience, so वो कब देखने को मिली थी? वो हमें देखने को मिली थी December 2, 2024 के आसपास. ठीक है. Then when I talk about phase 1, conduction of phase 1 as well as phase 2 as well as interview, everyone knows that this particular exam has 3 stages here. So जो phase 1 है वो कब हुआ था? phase 1 हुआ था हमारा December 22, 2024 को. ठीक है. नाउ यू कैन सी कि जब जो हमारी रजिस्ट्रेशन है जब वो क्लोज हुई थी, उसके बाद यहाँ पे जो एग्जाम कंडक्ट हुआ है उसके बीच में कुछ ज़्यादा गैप नहीं है. सो यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट दिस थिंग कि जब भी हमारे नोटिफिकेशंस आउट होंगी उसके नेक्स्ट मंथ, इनिशियल डेज ऑफ नेक्स्ट मंथ, या फिर अगर इनिशियल डेज ऑफ ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर मंथ अगर एग्जाम जो हमारा जो एप्लीकेशंस अगर वो क्लोज हुई हैं, सो वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट दैट नेक्स्ट मंथ इन द इनिशियल डेज ओनली वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट द कंडक्शन ऑफ फेज 1. Similarly, when I talk about phase 2, so that got conducted on January 19, 2025. So यहाँ पे भी इतना ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है ना. ये January 22 को conduct हुआ था, ये January 19 को conduct हुआ है. So यहाँ पे भी there is not a lot of gap. Now this particularly tells you that whenever you are preparing for this particular exam, you have to prepare simultaneously, as in along with paper 1 you have to keep paper 2 also. ऐसा नहीं है कि जब phase 1 हो जाएगा फिर उसके बाद मैं phase 2 की तरफ जाऊँगा. No, you have to prepare for both of the subjects, for both of the phases at one time only. Then when I talk about interview, so यहाँ पे tentative schedule जो था वो interview का वो कब था? It was in February 2025, and now you can see the result is out in the month of April. ठीक है. So this is the entire structure of the exam that got conducted in 2024. Now when I talk about the timeline of 2023, so everyone knows कि यहाँ पे जो specific phase 1, phase 2 जो है वो conduct नहीं हुआ था. Rather they simply said that we want to conduct those individuals who have some kind of, I would say, work experience, and those candidates had a group discussion, and on the basis of that interview was directly taken. So अगर मैं इसकी बात करूँ, so यहाँ पे जो closing जो हमारी open registration थी वो कब हुई थी? That was again in the month of November only. Closing of registration took place on November 28 itself, like in that month only. And then when I talk about the cut off dates, so यहाँ पे की कब आई थी? एक तो आई थी हमारी November 8 को, and then next was on November 28, 2023. Now about the group discussion and interview, so directly हुआ था. So it was in the months of January, December से लेके January के बीच में जो है वो हमें देखने को मिला था. Now we'll see that what can we expect for 2025 basically. So based on the trends of past 2 years, we have forecasted this thing. Now this is a specific thing that I want to ensure here, that this is just a forecasting based on the previous trends. Of course a pattern can be changed. This is a kind of uncertain exam that gives you, I would say, let's say a shock or as in a surprises every year. So based on the forecasting of the previous years, we have expected that the notification is expected in the month of September to October. ठीक है, this is what is the expectations of the month कि इनके आसपास जो है हमें क्या देखने को मिल सकते हैं, जो नोटिफिकेशन है वो आउट होती हुई देख सकते हैं. So this is the month of April and you know September is still a little far, so you have few months left with you. So if still you know you have not done your preparation, so I would recommend that start doing it. And you know your preparation should be holistic in manner, as in specifically ये नहीं करना है कि सबसे पहले phase 1 की तैयारी कर लेते हैं उसके बाद phase 2 की तैयारी करूँगी. So those of the aspirants who were not able to make it this time, of course उनके लिए तो ज़्यादा easy रहेगा because phase 1 everyone knows that is you know very common for every exam. Now talking about this particular exam, so you have you know separate things to do. So make sure कि आप phase 1 as well as phase 2 की जो preparation है वो holistic way में करो. And you make it this time. This is what you know I expect from all of you, that whatever hard work you are doing, that proves to be best. And I'm very sure that you people will be able to make you know it happen this time. And again congratulations for all of those aspirants who have made it this time. I hope that you know you succeed much more in life. And I congratulate your parents also, your loved one also. And yes, that is it. I hope this particular video is has proven to be very very helpful for all of you. If you have still any doubt regarding the preparation, you can just pin that you know your suggestions as well as your you know doubts in the comment section. We'll ensure that we are solving your doubts. So again congratulations to all of you, and you know good luck for all of those aspirants who are preparing for this particular year. Thank you so much.